Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will learn how to install and configure Linux malware detect. First let's go to the directory /user/src. You will type cd/user/src and enter. And in here you will download the Linux malware detect or the LMD. You will type wget, the command wget, and then you will type this link over here. You will find it in the notes and enter. It will now start downloading the LMD. Okay, now it has downloaded the LMD. Now let's extract the file. You will type tar and then minus -zxvf and then mal detect and then dash current dot tar dot jz and enter. You can see now that the file has been extracted. Now let's move to the mal detect directory. You will type cd and then mal detect and then dash 1.4.2 and enter. And in here you will type the command to install the Linux malware detect. You will type sh install and then .sh and enter. And you can see now that it will install and update the Linux malware detect. And as you can see, this may take some time, so I'll pause the video until it finishes. Okay, now the next step will be editing the Linux malware detect configuration file. You'll type nano and then /user/local/mal detect and then /conf.maldet and enter. And here in this configuration file, first you will look for this line over here, email_alert. You will enable the email alert, so you will change this 0 and make it 1. Then you will get down to here, and next to email _add, you will add your email or the email that you want the alerts to be sent to. For example, here I will type admin@example.com. Of course, in here you can type whatever email you like, and then you will search for the clam AV. You will type clam AV and press enter. And down here to the clam AV_scan. And here when you get to clam AV_scan, you will find the number 1. Keep it as it is at 1, and it is recommended to leave it as it is, because here when you leave it at 1, this means that you will enable the clam AV and the LAMD to work with each other. So this option to give you a better performance in scanning viruses. So leave it clam AV_scan at 1 as it is, and then save the file and enter. Okay, now to scan a directory, you will type mal det and then -a, and then you will type the path for the directory that you want to scan. For example, here I will type /var/www/html/example.com and enter. You can see that it is now scanning the directory. You can see here in progress. And of course this scan may take some time too, so I'll pause the video until it finishes. Okay, it has finished. Okay, here it says that it has scanned the directory that we have typed, and the files that it has scanned are 6 files. Malware hits, it did not find any hits, and the clean hits are 0. And it's telling you that if you want a report about the scan, you will type this command over here, maldet minus minus report. So let's type it, maldet, and then minus minus report, and enter. And you can see here is a report about the files that has been scanned. Total files 6, total hits 0, total clean 0, and here's the path, the time, and the scan ID. And by this lesson we have seen how to install the Linux malware detect. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.